Today I'm gonna show you how to mount a 26-inch LCD and a 32-inch Sony plasma, and this plate you can find it in the hanger place, and this is used to hang your picture frame. It hold up to 50 pounds, so I'll be using that for $3.99. and actually we only need like 2 bolts, but I bought 4 just in case. They are like 90 cents at Home Depot. It's a M4 .7 16 millimeter, and some washer. I bought this bar from Home Depot. It's 48 inch, and I have them cut it in half for me. It's about $11 for this bar. The bolt you can see right here. You got a washer on it. So I made a line on the wall there, level with your level, to find your stud right here. I found my stud right here, so 2 point right here, so the stud is in the middle here. That's why. Using my 1 5/8 long sheetrock screw, I'm gonna use 1 small washer and 1 big washer in order to use this screw. Easy anchor. It will hold up to 50 pounds each. So I'm gonna mark the hole for my sheetrock. So I'm gonna use my drill bit here to make a little hole for it. Zoom in a little bit so you can see. So now we can put a bolt back here, and I'm gonna place the level in and level it again. Make sure it's in place. So now this bolt is really tight because it has 4 bolts. Actually these 2 bolts have stud in the back, and this one, between this one is 16 inch, so there's another stud over here, and this one is sheetrock, so I use the sheetrock screw anchor. So I'm gonna use this 2 screw and drop it on that and then tighten it on the bottom.